that you don't feel like yourself, and you kinda hate it. You suppress all of the thoughts in your head and say it's complicated.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo sobat viewer, kembali lagi bersama saya di Dhika Conqueror. Nah teman-teman, jadi ini berhubung kita sudah berada di bulan Ramadan teman-teman. Nah teman-teman, jadi berhubung kita lagi di Malang ini teman-teman. Tadi itu kita cari hotel yang bisa bukber dan bisa all you can eat ya teman-teman. Dan tadi itu saya nemu salah satu hotel yang ada di Malang, yaitu Ascent Pemiere Hotel Malang teman-teman. Jadi hotel ini berada di Kota Lama Malang. Jadi hotelnya ini berada di Kota Lama Malang teman-teman. Dan ini tadi itu kita nyarinya yang all you can eat dan juga view rooftop teman-teman. Dan nemunya di hotel Ascent Pemiere ini teman-teman. Jadi seperti apa sih keseruan berita kali ini? Let's go, simak videonya sampai.
Caught up thinking about myself, never took time to listen. Couldn't see that you were going through hell, now you're cold and distant. You say you're fine, but your heart is bleeding.
Nah teman-teman, jadi untuk posisi lokasi hotelnya itu persis berada di bawah setelah jembatan ini ya teman-teman. Nah sebelah kanan ini teman-teman, yaitu Ascent Pemiere Hotel Malang. Dan hotelnya ini berada tepat persis di sebelah stasiun Malang Kota Lama teman-teman. Wah mantep banget kan aksesnya. Nah setelah kita memarkir kendaraan kita langsung aja ke area lift ini teman-teman. Lalu kita pencet tombol 9, soalnya nanti restorannya berada di lantai 9 teman-teman. Nama restorannya sendiri yaitu Napa Eatery and Bar nih teman-teman. Dan sebelum kesini kita udah reservasi terlebih dahulu ya teman-teman. Ngomong-ngomong soal harga, di Malang Ascent Pemiere Hotel ini untuk paket bukber alias iftarnya per orangnya itu dibanderol dengan harga Rp90.000 teman-teman. Jadi yang paling ikonik dari hotel ini yaitu rooftopnya nih teman-teman. Jadi dari atas ini kita bisa melihat view 360 derajat keindahan kota Malang ini teman-teman. Wih, mantep banget nih teman-teman. Dari sebelah sini kita bisa melihat suasana stasiun dan juga jembatan layang yang tadi nih teman-teman. Dan dari arah sebaliknya kita bisa melihat lintasan kereta api yang keren ini teman-teman. Wah, ada keretanya tuh teman-teman, mantap. Di sini juga ada live musiknya loh teman-teman, yang membuat suasana semakin enak dan syahdu nih teman-teman. Nah teman-teman, lanjut aja kita untuk mereview menu yang ada di Ascent Malang Hotel ini teman-teman. Yang pertama ini adalah minumannya teman-teman, ada jus orange dan juga nanas.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until